Welcome to our video today. In this segment, we will show you step by step how to unlock the daily combination card for Hamster Kombat. For July 4th, step 1. Go to the daily combo section where you will see empty cards. Tap on the section labeled PR and Team, and look for the card labeled UX and UII Team. Then click Go Ahead. After finishing, the card will be unlocked, and it's time to move on to the second card. Don't forget to subscribe to get our daily videos. For the second card, go to the Special section, tap on New Card. Then scroll down to find the card named CX Hub Istanbul, and then tap on it. Next, click on Go Ahead. If you enjoyed the video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and comment. The final step is to input the third card, which you can find in the Special section. Tap on that section, then tap on New Card, and look for the card labeled Riyadh Masters 2024. Open, then tap on Go Ahead, wait a little bit, and you will receive a message saying, the combo is completed, you're doing great. You will see 5 million coins. Finish by tapping Take the Prize. When you go back to the top, you will see all the cards have been unlocked. Don't forget to subscribe to get our daily videos.